What are the pros and cons of having a VPN? Mike Cowell says, a VPN hides your online identity. VPNs help you bypass Geo-Blocks. VPN services secure your online connections. A VPN can prevent bandwidth throttling. VPNs can bypass firewalls. Hit Like a King says, pros: 1. Safe encrypted communication. 2. Anonymous web surfing. Even your ISP just knows which website you're visiting but does not know what you are doing there. Cons: 1. Slow internet connection. 2. Most of the sites detect VPN users and block them. 3. People prefer to use free VPN, but what they forget is that often these VPN services log their browsing history and sell it to companies, which eventually removes the whole reason behind using the VPN. 4. VPN is often thought to make people anonymous, which actually isn't the case at all. Though there are some cons, using a good VPN service which does not log your searches, often paid VPN, is always a recommended option, especially over public networks, Wi-Fi. James Bickle says, using a VPN means you can hide bandwidth from ISP. It's one way of tricking your provider because they won't know which websites you're accessing and the amount of bandwidth you're using. Remember, VPNs encrypt data, that's why internet service providers don't detect it. Accessing the internet in public areas through free Wi-Fi allows hackers to easily expose your sensitive data online. This delicate information includes credit card details, email and bank account credentials, and many more. Fortunately, if you use a virtual private network, your data is safe from hackers because they're encrypted before getting it transferred to the internet. When you're at a public place, such as at school, hotel, or airport, you may probably experience difficulty in accessing certain websites because of annoying network firewalls. Usually, network admins install firewalls since they have to comply with different regulations. However, these firewalls don't seem fair to you. With VPNs, you can bypass any firewall you deal with because it'll hide your IP address and make website browsing easy and smoother. Also, they can detour government-enforced firewalls. As a result, you can avoid dealing with any government censorship while surfing the internet. DBESN VPN work as a program that encrypts your online traffic. In short, they ensure your digital footprints can't be traced on the internet. In addition to protecting your sensitive data, they can also make sure online hackers can't use your real IP address to determine your online identity. Not only that, they safeguard you from internet service providers and other government surveillance agencies. That way, these people are unable to keep track of your online browsing activities by prying on your traffic. Overall, VPNs offer more advantages than disadvantages. Besides, the extent of the benefits of using these private networks depends on what kind of browsing activity you do. Thanks for watching our video on what are the pros and cons of having a VPN.